Hey guys, we are going to work out together today. So I'm going to show you my entire prep process for the gym, and then we're actually going to go work out together. I'll show you all of my exercises, explain my split for the week, give you some of my background story in the gym, and then we will come back and I'll show you my whole post-workout routine. So yeah, let's get ready. We are about to start today's workout. So I just recently started incorporating running into my working out. I have never been much of a runner. I've actually always claimed to hate running, but this is probably one of my favorite new things that I've added to my workout and just like morning routine. So I actually run pretty much to and from the gym. It's about 2 miles, give or take, there, and then 2 miles back. I just love starting my day outside. It is such a mood booster for me, especially now that the weather has started to get better. It's still chilly, but it's totally enjoyable. I'm not even in like big layers anymore. And I get to see the lake, I get to see the river. Like, it's just like the most beautiful run, and I thoroughly enjoy it, and it puts me in such a good mood to start my day. Obviously, I know everyone cannot run to and from their gym, but I do think if you can start your day with like an outside run or walk, it is just like the ultimate mood booster. Great way to start your day, great way to get the day going, get some fresh air, get your body moving, all those fun things. So we're gonna go and go on a little run. Just got to the gym after my run. I honestly love also doing that run because then I don't have to warm up at the gym. I come to the gym and I can just immediately work out. It also cuts off like 40 minutes of my like overall gym routine because my travel time to and from the gym is part of my workout. So I'm not like having to take the train 15 minutes to the gym and then also warm up for another 20 minutes. It's been a really good switch up for me. But we are going to do pull day today, which means back and biceps, which is my favorite day of the week, arguably. I also love leg day, but there's just something about a nice, toned, sexy back that just gets me going. Before we get started, we always have to warm up though. I've already done my run. Now I just need to stretch. So I'm gonna get my stretch in and then we will get started working out. So yeah, today is Friday and we are doing pool day. So I want to explain my weekly split a little bit. So it's kind of like what workouts I do on what days of the week. So Monday and Thursday are leg day, and then Tuesday and Friday are upper body. One I do a push day and one I do a pull day. So on one day I'm working my back and buys, and then the other day I'm working my chest, shoulder, and tries. And then on Wednesday is my in-office day, which makes getting my workout in just a little bit more cumbersome. So I actually do, on Wednesdays, I do more of like a quick high intensity workout, but it's focusing on, I do cardio and abs on Wednesday. So that's kind of my weekly split. And then on the weekends, I will usually do some type of like fun auxiliary type workout. So I will either rock climb, or I'll do yoga, or I'll go on a really long walk somewhere pretty, hike, something like that. I try to stay out of the gym on the weekends, just give myself a break, give myself a change of scenery. I really try to get outside if it's nice. When it comes to creating a workout, following a workout plan, whatever it may be, I think my biggest tip would be to write your workouts out. So on Sunday nights, generally, I will write out my full week of workouts. So Monday, what is every single exercise that I'm doing? Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Having a plan like that makes coming to the gym so much less stressful, faster. And if you have any type of gym anxiety, it really helps to ease that, because you feel like you have a plan, you know what you're gonna do. You don't come to the gym and kind of just like wander around or like feel uncomfortable out of place, none of that. So write your workouts out. If you don't do them all in advance, at least write your workouts out each day before you come to the gym. It really, really, really helps me. So I have spent a lot of time in the gym over the years. I got super into weight training and just being in the gym in general. I got super into it when I was in college. I actually worked at my school. I went to UGA, so I actually worked at our like on-campus gym all 4 years. Best job I've ever had. All of my friends were like involved in the gym world at Georgia. Like it was just such a fun environment, such a fun community, and I was super into it. Like worked out like 6 days a week, lifting really, really heavy. Your girl was thick as a brick. Like I had an ass and thighs on me that were like. And then my senior year of college, I got a really bad knee injury. I had pretty intense surgery. I was down for like almost a year recovering. It was really, really bad. And after that knee injury, honestly, like I fell off for a while. It's one of those, so the gym is one of those things for me that like when I'm in a routine and I'm consistent and I have a schedule, I love it. I will stick to it. I love the way that I feel. I love the way that my body looks, the whole nine. But when I fall out of my routine, the gym can really tend to fall off for me. So that's why my routine is like so important to me, especially when it comes to the gym. Now, I will also say that when I am not in a good headspace, my body is the first thing to go. When I don't feel good about life, feel good about the headspace that I'm in, feel good about where I'm at, whatever it may be, I stop working out entirely. I eat like shit. Like, it's like the first thing to go. So it's like my number one tell about like where my headspace is at, is like how my gym routine and just my like overall health routine, how it's all going. So after that injury, I kind of went back and forth with the gym. I would dabble with it here, dabble with it there. And then I got super into yoga about 3 years ago. I got super into yoga. And so I really stopped going to the gym almost entirely and pretty much solely focused on yoga. I was doing yoga like 6-7 days a week. I was like just super into it. And I really enjoyed that. But I did start to get a little bored after a while. I just wanted to like switch things up and like do things a little bit differently. So I got a trainer at one point in time. I was doing like group personal training, which I really liked. Moral of the story is that I used to be super dedicated into the gym, weight training, all of that fun stuff when I was in college. And then honestly, since then until about the last year, I have really struggled to like find my routine and like find my space and like find my rhythm in the gym and working out world until about a year ago when I started weight training again, getting in the gym consistently, and I just love it. I love it. It's one of those things that I have a special place in my heart for it because it always makes me feel better. The gym makes me feel better. Feeling good in my skin makes me feel better. I have had eating issues pretty much my entire adult life. I do have a video about that on my channel. I will link it in the description where I kind of talk about some of the eating issues I've had over the years and just body image issues that I've had over the years. But being consistent in the gym, even if your body is not like exactly what I want it to be, I feel good. I feel like I'm taking care of myself. And so that really helps my mental space. So it's just important to me to stick with my routine and stay consistent and just look good, feel good, do good. That is my overall motto. Look good, feel good, do good. So, all right, we're gonna finish up this workout. I've got 2 more sets of exercises to go. All right, let's get this final run in.